All right, hey guys, I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to describe parabolas, okay? So let's take a look here at two parabolas. On the left, we have a red parabola. On the right, we have a blue parabola. And I have these side by side so that you can see the difference in the direction of opening. Notice the red one opens upward like a cup. This would hold water. In contrast, we have the blue one over here, which is down like a frown. This is like a mountain. You'd climb up and then you'd climb down. Okay, so let's look at a few of these features in each of these parabolas. Okay, so we describe these parabolas by their direction of opening. Here, this red one would be described as up. The vertex, it's the turnaround point. It's the highest or lowest point. And in this case, our vertex is a low point down here. This is at the coordinates, and we always go x comma y. So we do 1 on the x-axis and -9 on the y-axis. Okay, so we go over to 1 over here and down to -9 here, and that gives us our vertex. The vertex is a very important point in describing parabolas because from our vertex, we can get our axis of symmetry. Our axis of symmetry is this blue dashed line that goes all along x equals 1. All right, it's important that we include the x equals 1 because it's a line. It's not just a point or a value, it represents the entire line. Okay, our maximum or minimum value is the y value from our vertex. In this case, -9. It's the lowest output value. The lowest that the graph goes in this case is -9. It's not an ordered pair. If it was an ordered pair, it'd look like the vertex. So from the vertex, you can tell your axis of symmetry from the x part and the maximum or minimum value from the y part. All right, and last we've got our intercepts, our x and y intercepts. So our x-intercepts are where the graph crosses the x-axis. So we can see those here and here, our x-intercepts. And so we just write the ordered pair. So we write -2, 0, and my second x-intercept is at 4, 0. And notice how both of the y values are 0 because on the x, like these points, we don't go up, we don't go down. It's right here at 0. All right. Now, last but not least, our y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. And that's this orange point right down here. And so its coordinates on the x, we don't go left or right at all. So we go 0. And we count down, that looks like -8 to me. All right. Let's look at a second example. The blue graph, the direction of opening is down like a frown. The vertex, the turnaround point where it goes from increasing to now decreasing, is at the point 1 and 9. Our axis of symmetry right down the middle here, axis of symmetry is at x equals 1. Again, it's that x part of our vertex. Our max or min value, in this case, it is a maximum, and the value is 9. That's the y part of our vertex. We've got our x-intercepts at -2, 0, and 4, 0. And last but not least, our y-intercept is at the ordered pair 0, 8.